Hi students, problem number 16. Two tangent galvanometers having coils of the same radius are connected in series. A current flowing in them produces deflections of 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. The ratio of the number of turns in the coils has to be determined. So this problem is based on the tangent law. So, by tangent law, the magnetic field produced by the current flowing in the circular coil B is equal to BH times tan theta, where theta is the angle of deflection. So, this magnetic field due to the current flowing in a circular coil is given by what? Mu naught Ni divided by 2 into R. Radius of the coil is R. So this is equal to BH into tan theta. Now both the coils have the same radius. Is it not? They are having the same radius. And also they are connected in series. That means the same current only has to flow through them. Current flowing through them is also constant. The radius of the two coils is also the same. So I will take for the first one, for the first coil, B1 is equal to BH into tan of theta 1 I will take for the first coil. So mu naught into N1. N1 is the number of turns in the first coil and I is the same current and R also is same. So that is equal to BH into tan of theta 1. Now for the second coil, B2 is equal to BH into tan of theta 2. So what is B2? The magnetic field due to the current flowing in the circular coil number 2. So for that I will write the expression for B2 mu naught into N2 into I divided by 2 into R. Because R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R is constant. So this must be equal to what? BH into tan of theta 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So from this you see here mu naught is constant, I is constant, 2R is also constant. Therefore right side N1 is proportional to tangent of theta 1. Right side BH also is constant. So I can write N1 is proportional to tan theta 1 and N2 is proportional to tan theta 2. Therefore N1 by N2 is equal to tan theta 1 by tan theta 2. So this is equal to tan theta 1 is 60 degree and theta 2 is 45 degree. So this is tan 60 divided by tan 45. Therefore N1 by N2 is equal to tan 60 is root 3. So this is root 3 divided by tan 45 is 1. So this is the answer. You can see here N1 by N2 is equal to root 3 by 1. So here itself we have got the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer. It's a very simple numerical problem. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.